Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that's been a game changer in my kitchen and my health journey. Nutritional yeast. If you haven't heard of it, or if you think it's just some weird health food trend, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you. Trust me, by the end of this monologue, you might just want to run out and grab a jar for yourself. So, what is nutritional yeast? Well, it's this flaky yellow seasoning that's packed with flavor and nutrients. It's made from a type of yeast called Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and it's often grown on molasses. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just a trendy topping for your avocado toast. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can seriously boost your health. First off, let's talk about protein. If you're looking for a way to up your protein intake, especially if you're plant-based or vegan, nutritional yeast is a fantastic option. Just 2 tablespoons give you about 8 grams of protein. That's like a little sprinkle of magic on your meals. It's a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. So, if you're trying to build muscle or just maintain a healthy diet, this stuff is a must. But wait, there's more. Nutritional yeast is also a fantastic source of B vitamins. You know those vitamins that are crucial for energy production and brain health? Yep, those. Many brands fortify their nutritional yeast with B12, which is especially important for those on a plant-based diet, since B12 is mainly found in animal products. Just a couple of tablespoons can give you a significant portion of your daily B12 needs. It's like a little boost for your energy levels, and who doesn't want that? Now, let's not forget about the taste. Nutritional yeast has this cheesy, nutty flavor that can elevate your dishes in ways you wouldn't believe. If you're missing cheese in your life, sprinkle some nutritional yeast on your pasta, popcorn, or salads. It's a great way to add depth and richness without the extra calories or fat. I promise you, once you try it, you'll be hooked. It's like the secret ingredient you never knew you needed. Another fantastic benefit is its high antioxidant content. Nutritional yeast contains compounds like glutathione and selenomethionine, which help protect your cells from damage and support your immune system. In a world where we're constantly bombarded by stress and toxins, having something as simple as nutritional yeast in your diet can really help keep your body in check. And let's talk about fiber. Nutritional yeast is a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps keep things moving along and can even promote a healthy gut microbiome. A happy gut means a happier you, and who doesn't want that? Now you might be wondering how to incorporate nutritional yeast into your meals. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. You can sprinkle it on popcorn for a cheesy snack, mix it into your pasta sauces, or even blend it into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. It's super versatile, and it's a great way to add flavor without the guilt. So, if you're looking to enhance your health and add some delicious flavor to your meals, give nutritional yeast a try. It's affordable, easy to find, and packed with benefits. Plus, it's a great conversation starter when you're cooking for friends. Trust me, once you start using it, you won't want to go back. So go ahead, grab that jar of nutritional yeast and start sprinkling your way to better health. You won't regret it.